Hi everyone, today we got a 2006 BMW X3 with a 3.0 liter. It came in to have the front and rear differential fluids changed, and I noticed this rotating sound. I know from experience that the tensioner for the main drive belt, the pulley is going bad on it. And I'll start it up so you can hear the sound. So you hear that rotating sound, that like a bearing going bad sound. There's this one. There's the adjustment bolt. You take a socket and put it there, and that takes the tension off so you can take the belt off. And there's a few bolts that hold it on. And off to the side of it, right down here, there's a little idler pulley right below the alternator. You usually just change both of them because they've both been on there a long time. Someone's already replaced the drive belt recently. But that noise you hear, it's not going to last much longer once it starts making noise like that, so we're going to change it right away today. And what I did is I put a stethoscope, so I can actually hear it. And the way you get to this is there's a little cover on the top, and it has four little Torx bolts on it, and then this cover goes underneath here in the front and goes into here. So there's two bolts there, and there's a bolt here on the top and another bolt there, and you loosen your air cleaner housing a little bit, and then this, you can lift this out of your way. Then once you have this out of your way, you can see you have plenty of access to do the necessary repairs. So when you hear that noise, there's not much time left before that's going to cause a big problem, and that bearing will lock up and fall apart, the drive belt will come off, the car will overheat, and you're done. So we'll change the fluids next time. This way we'll keep the customer on the road driving safely. Thank you.